In the user settings, you can configure the system to match personal preferences or needs. To access your user options, click the user icon in the bottom left corner. From here, you can switch to a different sub-organization. Select your preferred language. Turn dark mode on or off. Open the advanced user settings. Or log out of your account. After making changes, you can refresh the user settings to ensure all active settings are displayed correctly. Inside the advanced settings, you can choose your preferred date format, set your amount formatting, adjust your font size, enable dual monitor mode for easier document validation on multiple screens. You can also update your username and password. After making changes, don't forget to press save. Check out our other examples and use cases to see how this feature can help you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.